Hey class, I just want to go over a little bit of kind of intro to the course as well as learning module week 1, just so that way you guys are aware of what's due, what you need to be doing weekly, so on and so forth. So kind of right here in this start here section, you're going to find a lot of things that are due pretty much right off the bat, as well as they give you a little bit of instructions on how to complete your testing measurements, how to submit your activity logs, so on and so forth. So you'll find activity tracker instructions here. Here's where we'll get your textbook and video lecture quizzes. So if you click on something like this, you'll see it gives you introductions as well as kind of what you can expect, so on and so forth. Now if I go back, okay, you have your exercise consent form. This is huge right at the start. Print this out, sign it, scan it, and then submit it. So we need to make sure that you are good for exercise. Your carbon formula is due right off the bat as well, just so this helps you understand, okay, how many beats when I'm exercising, kind of where am I in my target heart rate range. This extra credit, this is for throughout the semester. There will be times for extra credit. It tells you a little bit about that. So this is kind of like an instructional area that if you have questions or you're not really sure how to do something maybe or what you need to be doing, you can take a look. There will also be videos here explaining, you'll see your fitness assessment testing. There will be videos right in here to show you how to do that. There will also, you will need some outside materials, and then in terms of activity log, activity tracker instructions, I mentioned that. There will also be a video on that so it can be as clear as possible for you guys. So as we get into week 1, here you can see that pretty much every week we're going to have some type of video lecture, normal lecture, video lecture quiz, and then you'll have a couple quizzes from your textbook. So you'll see here, chapter 1 textbook quiz. You'll click here, you'll hit start. Mine looks a little bit different. There's no time limit. Take as much time as you want. Open note, open book. But I recommend reading prior to taking that quiz. Here's where you'll submit your activity tracker. Weekly, we're going to have current event discussions. This is where you will obviously read the directions on this, and you'll create a post. You'll respond to 2 peers, and you guys will have a conversation through Canvas on that discussion board topic. Then here, setting a weekly goal. Each week you'll set a weekly goal. If we click there, here's some links, resources. So we're trying to improve health and fitness. You will have a group that you'll work with, okay, anywhere from 2 to 4 individuals within your group. You guys are working together to kind of hold each other accountable, motivate each other. So within your group, you're going to list a personal goal. Okay, respond to each group member with statements of encouragement and or faith integration verses. So it could be a Bible verse, it could be a motivational verse, it could be a prayer, it could be anything that you want to help that person in your group reach their goals. So we want to create a very supportive environment. Here's your video lectures. You're going to watch a video on a faculty member giving a lecture. It's in their specialty, so you're getting good content. And then you will take a quiz immediately after that. And that is week 1.